Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use precision parts in Dark War Survival. To use precision parts in Dark War Survival, you'll need to focus on upgrading your base past level 30. These parts are essential for pushing buildings like your watchtower, fighter camp, rider camp, shooter camp, and guild hospitals into the industrial upgrade tier. Once a building hits level 30, you'll notice precision parts are required alongside your regular resources to proceed. Just tap on the structure, select upgrade, and if eligible, it'll show the precision parts requirement. These parts are also key in Alliance duel events. Certain tasks demand are used to help your alliance score higher. Plus, during survival preparedness events, spending precision parts boosts your points and unlock bigger rewards. So, whether you're aiming for stronger buildings or trying to help your alliance climb the leaderboard, managing and using your precision parts wisely gives you a real edge in Dark War survival. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.